Hi, sorry, I'm very short. So, Borada, my name is Jackie, I'm 21 and unapologetically autistic. Growing up being different. You're very different, there's something wrong with you, but you're not autistic, but there's something wrong with you. It was always, there's something wrong with you. So, I'd like to read a censored version of my monologue. We need to keep everyone happy here, because obviously, you know, I'd rather not get into trouble, thank you. So, before I ramble, because I'm currently doing that, we shall begin. So, Pomegranate is a monologue of my truth. It entices traumatic events that comfort the disturbed and disturb the comforted. It's all about my experience as a young woman who is disabled and the things that she has had to endure. Viewer discretion is advised, and I'd like to thank you for your time today, because this is just incredible. So, to begin, the title is Pomegranate. Pomegranate, take me apart like a pomegranate. To take apart a pomegranate is to understand each individual seed, as I wish you would do with me. To be seen is to be heard, and I'm always too much, yet I'm never enough. I'm always desired, but it's never to be loved, it's only to be held, as I am somebody, not somebody. It's a feeling of exhaustion that one cannot simply eradicate through sleep. I'm never being seen for my disability, but I'm always being seen for how different I am. But here's the thing, I always knew what I wanted. Maybe I wanted to be seen for my personality or my talents, or maybe even my knowledge, but that's the thing when you're disabled. You try so hard to present yourself as normal that people accuse you of trying too hard, so okay then, I'm going to act as if I was to be the only person in the room, but that's really weird. Why do you do that thing with your hands? Can't you sit still? Stop doing that, you're so annoying. But I thought this was a safe space. From then a person once filled with ecstasy and exhilaration to an empty corpse who is ridiculed by every action, sound and behaviour that others feast their eyes upon. It's a whirlpool of emotions of never fitting into that same box, the proclaimed box of societal normality, reminding myself every day that my dreams are just dreams and for me to describe such things for you, only to destroy them one by one, shattering every inch of confidence that I once owned. Okay, now hear me out. You're probably thinking there's no way being disabled is that horrific. And you'd be correct. I sing, I write, I have an obscure range of knowledge and a heart beyond my years. Some might say I've been here before. Maybe I have. So this is about my experience, again, as a young woman who is disabled, and as a collective, we are all here celebrating our disabilities and differences. Whether your disability is visible or not, I want to reiterate to you that you matter, that you are important, and you should never change yourself for another person. Stay true to yourself. Thank you.